句话研磨下笔，直接给我4个字算大展宏图，大事情。
These dances look insane, right? Every single one was created by AI. And today, I'm going to show you how you can make your very own AI influencer that dances like a TikTok pro in just one click. Pretty wild, right? Now, here's how you can make your own. First, click the link below this video to download AI Danza on your phone. Download it now and you'll get a free credit pack inside the app to try it out. Once you've got it installed, open it up and pick a dance template. You can choose anything from trending TikTok moves to hilarious meme dances. Then, upload a single photo of your chosen celebrity, character, or even yourself. Hit generate and let AI Danza do the magic. In seconds, you'll have a fully animated, music-synced dance video ready to share. Now, let's see how easy it is to create. And check out the AI Blueprint Supreme Dance in action. And that's the beauty of AI Danza. It's built for anyone to use. The interface is clean and easy to understand, so you'll never get lost in menus. It comes packed with a huge variety of dance templates. From classic styles to the latest viral trends, and new ones are added all the time. Best part, no editing skills needed, just one tap, and your AI-powered dance video is ready to go. If you enjoyed watching these AI dance creations, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more AI-powered fun. And hey, why just watch when you can make your own? Click the link in the description, download AI Danza today, and start creating dance videos that'll blow your friends' minds.